Hello everyone, now I'm going to show foldable Bluetooth travel keyboard from Merlin. Let's see what's inside the box. Once we open the box, you will get this nice keyboard with this slide cover. This is not only the slide cover for the keyboard. We can use this slide cover as a stand for our mobile and tablet. To turn on this keyboard, it's very easy. Just open this keyboard to turn it on and close the keyboard to turn it off. It supports any device like Apple, Android or Windows. To connect your device, it's very easy. Just press function and T button. It will go to the Bluetooth pairing mode and go to your mobile device or tablet. Bluetooth settings, search for this device. It will show travel key. Just connect and use. To charge this keyboard, it comes with micro USB charging cable. One full charge will give up to 40 hours continuous usage time and 30 days standby. It's very lightweight, foldable keyboard, easy to carry. To know about this keyboard price and anybody want to buy online, please click the link below. For more videos, please subscribe. Thank you everyone.